Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Are you ready? Today, we're going to draw and color a very special number. Number block 117. First, let's draw his main body. Draw a big, tall rectangle for his body. This is the 100 part of 117. Now, let's fill our rectangle with a grid. First, draw the horizontal lines to make rows. Let's count them together as we draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going until we reach the bottom. Did you know each row is made of tens? If we have 10 rows, that's 100 already. Now, let's draw the vertical lines going up and down to make columns. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly. We just drew to 117. Wow! Meow! That's me, full of lots and lots of blocks. Let's work on his hat. First, draw the outline of his hat on top of his big body. Then, draw his two pointy cat ears with the little inside part. Now, let's draw his arms. Next, draw his legs. Don't forget to add little paws. Now, for his cute face. First, draw his two round eyes. Don't forget his eyebrows. Next, let's give him a little heart-shaped nose. And finally, draw a big happy smile below the nose. Don't forget the number badge on top of his hat. Great! Your drawing is ready. Let's grab our crayons and make him super colorful. Time to bring our cat number block to life. This is going to be so much fun. Let's start with all the black. Grab your black crayon. We'll color in his head outline, his pointy ears, both of his arms, his legs, and his long, beautiful tail. Make sure to stay inside the lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All counting through.
Now, let's find our dark pink crayon. This color is so pretty. We'll use it to color his cute nose, his smiling mouth, and the small inner part of his ears. Now for his main body. Grab your pink crayon and color his entire body. All the little squares should be pink. Let's count as we color. 10, 20, 30,
Let's draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now two big clouds of fluffy, floating in the sky. 1, 2, they're white and puffy, watching us fly by.
40,
Coloring, counting fun, a happy, happy day. From 1 to 10 we're learning, hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too.
50,
Anything you dream and make it bright and new. Now let's count some little
60,
things. The colors that we see. 3 little green trees swaying, happy as can be. 1, 2, and 4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row.
70,
1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow.
80,
see little brown bees buzzing around the trees.
90, 100. Wow, we colored 100 squares. Perfect. That's me. 100 and a little bit more. And now for a beautiful rainbow. Find the rainbow stripe on his head and fill it with color. Use red, then yellow, then green, then light blue, and finally purple. What a beautiful rainbow! Hooray! You did it! Your number block 117 is complete. It looks absolutely amazing. You just created a masterpiece. And you learned that 117 is made of 117 more. Thanks for making me. Give yourselves a big round of applause. We'll see you next time for more number block adventures.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.